guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making some delicious crispy chicken wings in our air fryer or our Instant Pot using our air fryer lid. If you have the dual crisp, you can follow this recipe as well. Keep in mind, if you're interested in any of the items that I use today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the link for everything that I use. And make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And let me know in the comments what you guys think or want me to make next. A follower actually, or a subscriber actually made a suggestion for the chicken wings, and here we are, we're making the chicken wings. So let me know in the comments, but let's go ahead and get started in making these delicious chicken wings. Alright, so today what we're going to need our 12 to 13 wings, chicken wings. These are frozen chicken wings. You will need an oil spray or at least 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil, and you will want salt and pepper to your liking, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 cup of chicken broth. You can substitute this with water if you want. And I'm using, this is my favorite steamer basket. So it has an insert on top, and they have handles for both. So I'm actually going to pour the water in first, or the chicken broth. Then we can add our basket, but before we do, we can add our wings. So this is what I like about it. It allows air to flow freely throughout the entire basket. And you can layer the chicken wings essentially with the second basket on top. Alright, put our basket in there and add our lid. Okay, we're gonna do pressure cook for 5 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, so you're gonna want a bowl with some paper towels to dry them off, but we're gonna release the pressure and then we'll be back. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove our lid. Okay. And I can kind of just, let's see, lift that out. I'm going to bring it to the side. Yep, still in view. Okay. We're going to bring our chicken wings and put them into a bowl just to dry them off. And the reason we're doing this is so that when we wet it with oil, it sticks and we can put our seasoning on without any issues. We want it to crisp up, so any extra moisture is not wanted. Alright, we're going to dump the liquid and bring in and start seasoning everything, but let me dump the liquid first. Alright, so just want to pat them down really well and then kind of spill them into the basket, patting them down. Careful, they're hot. Okay. Once you have done that, you're going to want to do at least 1 tablespoon of oil, but I am just spritzing about 3 sprays there. You can spray a little bit more. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Okay, and then our powder. Now we're going to add the hot sauce at the end. Okay, so we want to crisp them up first, then we can add the hot sauce, and if you want to crisp them up beyond that, we can, and I'll show you guys how. Sorry, my kids are in the background. Okay. So just mix it really well. Okay. See, and it's not even hot anymore. So that's the good thing. All right, so we're gonna add our wings back to the baskets. Okay. Okay, let's put our air fryer lid on. All right, so let's put our lid on. Okay, go ahead and raise it. And let's bring it a little bit closer here. All right, so we're gonna select air fry, 400 degrees, 15 minutes. At the 10-minute, or actually at the 7-minute mark, we're going to mix it. But at the 10-minute mark, we'll check it, and then we can add the sauce if it's just about ready. So let's go ahead and do 400, 15 minutes. We'll be back. All right, so 7 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and remove the lid and bring out our basket. You just kind of want to flip them over or shake them essentially. Okay. I probably should have sprayed the basket. That's my fault, but now one wing is a little damaged. But it's okay. Alright, we're going to flip it. Actually... Okay. There we go. So spray the basket first. Learning lesson for me. Okay. Perfect. Now we can add it back. Okay. And let's get our back here. All right, we're gonna add it back, and we'll be back. All right, so there's 5 minutes remaining, and we're gonna remove our lid, and I want to check the wings. Oh, there we go. Now I have half a cup of hot sauce right here on the side. Just gonna go ahead and check to see what temperature they're at. We want 165 or higher. 165, perfect. Oh yeah. I'm checking here. Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna bring my bowl and we can add our hot sauce and finish it off. Okay, so we're gonna add our wings to our bowl again. This is optional, where you can put it back in the basket to crisp it up some more, but otherwise we're basically done. I'm gonna go ahead and add the hot sauce here. Okay, sorry guys. All right, we'll just add all the hot sauce there. Okay, and just carefully mix in the hot sauce, and we will add them back to the basket. Okay. Now you could finish at this step, or you could crisp up. So I'm actually going to crisp them up again to show you guys. But it's just basically using that last 5 minutes to do it. So I'm just gonna put that in the sauce there. Make sure it's coated all around. Okay. I'm gonna do this for both baskets. Add that back in there. Add our lid. No, let me fix the cable there. Oh, it shut off. That was too long. But no worries. Just like 5 minutes. And we'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it is complete. We're going to go ahead and bring our basket out again. Okay. Let's get the basket. Check out our wings. Perfect and crispy. And the sauce is just right on there. It's perfect. Actually, I'm going to put that one right there. So I'll let you guys see. That is our chicken wing. Delicious, you guys. So make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Instant Pot air fryer lid or dual crisp recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. If you're interested in any of the items, be sure to check the description box below. But until next time, you guys have a great night.